Hello, we welcome you from IP Associate China. This is the DNR IP Days, IPSOC Day. And my first interview will be with my neighbor in France, you know. DNR is located close to Grenoble in France, and my neighbor is from Dolphin Integration, a well-known IP provider. I have the pleasure to speak to Frédéric Masson, who is IC Development Manager at Dolphin. And of course, my first question, due to the overall situation of the world, is, like for everybody, how is Dolphin Integration doing these days?
So this year was a little bit difficult for us because we have seen lots of projects which have been postponed by our customers. Indeed, obviously, project could not be postponed indefinitely. So we face against a large IP vendor, but also against internal design team. So this year we have won significant projects, which show that our offering have good values. So concerning these values, I think we can put them two categories, so performances and quality, but also our application engineer for their guidance to make an easy integration by our customers.
Okay, so you are rather optimistic now, yeah?
Yes.
So then the source of your pains, are you still competing with EDA vendor? Some IP provider complain that this market has been taken over by EDA vendor. What does Dolphin Integration think about?
So we compete against EDA vendor with our differentiators. So first, we put a strong investment for having added value on our product, and especially against standard offering. So for that, for example, this year, and as we are focused on during the conference, we have put effort on cost reduction. So it's important for our customer to reduce silicon areas, to reduce bill of materials, but also we also provide solutions for helping them to have a first pass right integration of their system. So for example, in providing them with tools, methodology, for optimizing their application schematic and be sure that they will have their performances right on first pass for the system.
Good. So now the last question, how do you see the future? Bright, difficult, and which direction also?
So this year we have seen that there is more and more complex SOC. So that means that there is several highlights, so strong partitioning for optimizing power consumption. So there is lots of power management, which is included in the system on chip. So we think that it's very important and crucial for us to provide a new EDA solution. So such solution should enable our customers to make the needed verification, which are new due to this new SOC complexity. So they must verify that the noise propagation through an highlight to another couldn't alter performances. They must verify transition check between mode transition from retention to normal mode, extension and others. So that's why we would like to provide such kind of solution. For the future, we also think that some new markets will growing up. So for instance, smartwatches, smart glasses. So for this kind of market, we think that there is new challenges, such as providing solution for electronic, which is waterproof for smartwatches, for example, and for extending the battery life.
Okay, so good, looks good. So we wish you a great future.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.